First step, turn on developer options. Press and hold voice button and say, Open
Opening
Google Play Store.
Store.
Search and install S to X for APK uploading and installation. Allow access to all files. Press and hold OK button and select Browser Upload. Scan the code using a phone or use PC browser to open this page. Open apkmirror.com. Search Chrome. Click Google Chrome. Download APK, ARM v7 version. Save to storage. On your phone, select Chrome APK and upload to TV. It must contain an ARM v7 architecture build to be compatible with Google TV Streamer. Click OK button on Chrome APK to install. Install unknown apps must be turned on. Because Chrome has no TV banners, so you can't find it in home screen.
Opening Play Store.
Search and install sideload folder app to solve this problem. Now you can open Chrome from here. Please connect a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to utilize Chrome.